nasty. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Project Vinnie, our 2004 Vivaro. As you've probably seen in the thumbnail, we need to change the auxiliary drive belt because it's in pretty poor condition. So I've been down to EuroCarParts and Mark sorted me out with a nice new belt. Thank you, Mark. Anyway, it all starts under here, so you might be able to do it by just turning the wheel and getting underneath. I'm going to take the wheel off because I've got to try and squeeze this in underneath with my big head. So let's get that one off. Wheels off, we're on the old axle stands, and we need to start by taking this off, which is missing many fixings. And I don't know what that used to be, so I'm going to have to fight with that. And then we've got to take that off, and then it's behind that. So yeah, these are just broken off. Let's fight with this a minute, and we'll have a look under there. So we ended up drilling that one out, so let's move on to the others now. Let's just tip you up so you can see what we're doing. There we go. So this is what we've ended up with. Now we've got to take this panel off here. Sorry, I'm not pointing at where I'm pointing. No, I'm not filming where I'm pointing. So there's two 13s up there. One there. One there. And two 10s to the underpan, if you've got an underpan. Under a pan, protective pan, or whatever you want to call it. So let's swap these out and see what we get. And there we have our nasty belt, and as you can see, it's nasty. And if you do like what we're doing here and found the video informative or helpful, funny, stupid, whatever, please give us a thumbs up. And these are the sort of fixings you've got to pull out, and yes, we've broken some, so I'm going to have to order some of them. So to get the belt off, we've got to take the weight off the tensioner. And to do that, we just put a 16mm spanner on it and give it a heave, and you can see it goes slack. But obviously I cannot take that off one-handed. And before you take it off, just remember what routing you got to take. Mine hasn't got air conditioning, so all it's got is a crank pulley, power steering, idler, and then up there, which is hard to see, it's just on the alternator. And now's just a good time to check that everything's spinning freely and not rumbly. Same with everything you've got, there's no slack in that, and up under there is the alternator, obviously. That's all smooth, so let's get up at on the bench and check that our belt is correct. There's our old. There's our new. Hopefully they'll be similar. Again, can't be done one-handed, but I think they're pretty close. I'll check with two hands, but yeah, they'll be all right. And here's a look how close we are to losing the belt. Really, it's pretty bad, but we saw it in time. That's fine. Now it's just a case of feeding the new one up and getting it beyond that tensioner. There we go, it's on. Easy peasy. Just got to start it up and make sure it's all right. Sweet as a nut. there you go. Got some new screws in there and the new clips. Obviously just push these in there and up there. The liner just goes in, and I've got to get a replacement there, and there was nothing there, so I'm not sure what was in there. Must have been something in there, I'll have to find out. But ultimately, job is done. Just got to stick the wheel back on, take it off the jack, and then torque the wheel bolts up. There we go, all back together, all nice. I've put some new screws in here. So that one was missing, that one was a wood screw, so that's all better. Yes, all together, lovely jubbly. Thank you very much for coming along on another Vivaro journey. This is a job most people could do themselves. Whether you have to take the wheel off or not, I'm not sure. You might be able to do it just by turning the wheel and getting underneath there, but obviously to get the camera in, I had to take the wheel off. So there we go, not too many tools, just standard hand tools. And don't forget, if you're jacking a vehicle up, make sure you're on axle stands. Not waffling, not telling you off, just please look after yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop, for sneaky peeks of this, that, this and other stuff. And I hope to see you soon. Cheers then. Please give us a thumbs. Please give it the thumbs up. Oh, dirty again. Oh, God. And what else can I say? I've said that lots of times. Do apologise. I really should be used to doing these outros, but I'm not. Right, I have to cut you in.